Linux and open source in 2026. What the future looks like as we move closer to the year 2026, Linux and open source software are entering one of their most important periods yet. What started as a niche movement for developers has grown into a powerful global ecosystem used by governments, companies, and everyday users. According to industry predictions, 2026 will be a year of growth, change, and new challenges for Linux and open source. Let's break down what the future looks like. First, Linux desktop usage is expected to continue rising. More people are choosing Linux on laptops and desktop computers than ever before. This is because modern Linux distributions are easier to use, faster, and more stable. Hardware support has improved, and many popular apps are now available on Linux or have strong alternatives. For users tired of expensive licenses, forced updates, or privacy concerns, Linux offers freedom and control. When Chrome OS and Android, which both use the Linux kernel, are included, Linux already powers a large part of personal computing. By 2026, this trend is expected to grow even more. Second, security and system stability will become even stronger. Security has always been one of Linux's biggest strengths. In 2026, open source communities are expected to focus even more on secure defaults, faster bug fixes, and better vulnerability tracking. Because open source code is public, problems are found and fixed faster. Enterprises and governments trust Linux for servers, cloud systems, and critical infrastructure. This trust will continue to increase as cyber threats become more advanced. Third, artificial intelligence will change how open source software is built. AI will not replace developers, but it will assist them. In 2026, AI tools are expected to help with code review, bug detection, performance optimization, and testing. Linux developers may use AI to analyze kernel performance, manage resources, and improve power efficiency. On the desktop, more Linux applications will include local AI features that work offline, protecting user privacy while improving productivity. Fourth, some open source projects may struggle to survive. Not every project will succeed. Predictions suggest that some long-standing open source tools, including popular web browsers, may face serious challenges. Competition from big tech companies, limited funding, and changing user habits mean that projects must innovate to stay relevant. Open source rewards active communities. Projects that fail to adapt risk losing users and contributors. Fifth, governments and enterprises will adopt open source even more. Many countries and large organizations are moving toward Linux and open source software to reduce costs and avoid vendor lock-in. Open source allows full control over systems and data. By 2026, more public services, education systems, and enterprise platforms are expected to rely on Linux-based infrastructure. This shift strengthens digital independence and encourages local innovation. 6. The Linux desktop experience will continue to improve. Wayland is becoming the standard display system, replacing older technologies. This brings better performance, smoother graphics, and improved security. Gaming on Linux is also improving rapidly. Thanks to better drivers and compatibility tools, many popular games now run well on Linux. By 2026, gaming will no longer be a major reason to avoid Linux. Seventh, modern and immutable Linux systems will grow. More Linux distributions are moving toward immutable designs. This means the core system is protected from accidental changes, making it more stable and secure. Updates become safer, rollbacks are easier, and systems break less often. This approach is especially useful for beginners and enterprise environments. Finally, what does all this mean? The future of Linux and open source in 2026 is mostly positive. Adoption is growing. Security is improving. AI is enhancing development. And more institutions trust open ecosystems. However, success is not guaranteed for every project. Innovation, community support, and adaptability will decide which tools thrive and which disappear. One thing is clear: Linux and open source are no longer just alternatives. They are becoming the foundation of modern computing.